5-second rules.
Okay, I got it. That's very
Good
nice,
nummy,
Talia.
Maggie. Good nummy.
I don't know how to get the movie setting, the short video. It's here somewhere.
It's pretty easy.
We got it by mistake once.
Natty. The cheese.
What is that? Oh, no. You say thank you, she said.
That's grandma.
No. No. The sheesh?
Oh, there we go.
Here comes grandma.
There you go, Maggie. Line up.
Eating.
I think you're, well, Mom, you have to open it up. It tells you the message on the screen.
Hi.
Grandma had to shop.
What'd you get?
How come they didn't have crafts in the fire hall this year?
They didn't have great crafts at all, did they?
No.
Couldn't find a sweatshirt.
Didn't get to see you, honey.
I know. There were people wandering around town looking for you. Did they ever find you?
No. No, probably not.
They were complaining. They were like, wherever she goes, we're always 10 minutes behind her.
Who is that? Do you know?
No, we're not really sure who it was, but yeah.
I don't know. I have to come home.
Yeah.
Did you and them leave?
Yep. They
Natty,
did.
Natty. Not on the floor, please.
Definitely.
Busy.
Did you find Grandma's kitty?
Oh, yeah.
Or is he downstairs?
I think he's in here now.
Yeah, he came in.
He's inside.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I brought the vacuum.
Oh yeah, they're the vacuum one.
Cheers.
Where's our shopping?
Right there.
Oh, there.
Because I'm hungry again.
What?
The cafe is closed. I didn't get any able skeevers. They ran out
Oh, yeah. We didn't
by
either.
1:30 or so. I thought,
Oh, is that what it was? They ran out. They didn't just close down.
I didn't go and get any rhubarb. I took a little nap. Maybe I'll have to make some.
Everything early.
I'll have to make some.
I'll go back in about an hour see if they have any scout potatoes left over to take home. I remember to bring some potatoes this year.
Is this what we bought for the kids, for the girls?
The purses, yeah.
It's not my mom.
All girls need purses.